Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this super cool idea. This is a grappling hook that actually is made from manganese steel, and it actually holds up to 1,000 pounds. Now it comes boxed just like this. Ours did not come with a rope, but I do have one I'm going to show you with a rope. But I wanted to show you the operation of how cool this is. It keeps itself compact for transport. Now these are extremely sharp, so they're going to grab a hold of things. To operate it, you just simply are going to twist this part here. It's going to open up this top part. Then by flipping this over, they go into place, and then just simply screw it back in, and that's going to give you your grappling hook shape. Now this can be used out for boating, if you're wanting to throw this out on shore to dig into the sand or the ground so it pulls in and holds on, or it can be used for climbing. It holds up to 1,000 pounds. Now one of the neat things I like to use it for is attaching it onto a rope. I'll have my camera person step back here. You can actually use this to pull down some limbs. So I've got a limb way high up there, and I'm going to go ahead and use this thing to get up and over that limb so that I can get that thing pulled down. Now, as you can see, it's got that really sharp tine on there, and that can grip a hold of this, and we can use it to pull down branches. That's going to save me a lot of trouble from having to go ahead and try to climb up there with a pole saw. So this is going to save a lot of effort on that. Then whenever I'm done, I can simply retract this back down and store it away, and it'll be ready to go again for next time.